下来，super 真的俺们说他。
Oh.
Explosion. I think it's a setup. Looks like someone has done that.
Hindi pa yan maka-start sa school. Pagod na. Kaya yung takbo-takbo. Good morning mga kachika. It's my day off today. It's enough.
Yeah, I said stop to Elisa so we can wait for her. This is Lisa.
No, that's
Lisa,
it now. That's it now.
I got you now.
That's it.
I got you. I want to get you now.
Ang init na mga kachika. Naiwan ko pala yung susi sa labas. Sige din si Mister. Bukas mas mainit ba bukas? Super init. Hanggang next week. Tagal man ang kasama ko. Yung ganyan ba, gusto sana namin mag-request sa landlord na paano namin yung kachika. Kasi wala naman kaming pangkat dyan. Dito pag uminit dito mga kachika, yung init talaga siya ba, mafe-feel mo talaga yung init sa katawan mo kasi sa balat mo kasi yung parang nasanay ka na ba na okay na malamig. Kaya pag once na uminit na ano yung ang sakit sa balat. Puputi ka kaunti, mag-lighten kaunti yung skin mo pag morena ka, mag-lighten kaunti yung skin mo during winter time. Tapos mainitan ka lang ng isang araw, balik ka na naman sa pagka-morena. Ganun lang. Sabi nga ng isa kong kasama. Okay. Kasama na Pinay. Sabi nga nasa Korea daw siya. Ano daw, puti daw siya doon. Dito daw, mas lalo daw siyang umitim. Mag-lighted man kaunti yung balat niya. Yun nga. Chicken rice din. Isang araw lang daw, maarawan lang daw isang araw. Balik to ano na naman.
Cover them up, wouldn't you? Huh? Got legs like that. You want to cover them. Damn. Disgusting.
mga kachika, 20 pounds. Hindi ko alam kung alin yung kukunin ko. Tag 20 pounds siya mga kachika. BNQ. Ayan, May bonsai food din pala mga kachika. Oh, hindi pala yan. Ito. Akala ko sa inyo. Ito lang pala. Ayan, bonsai food. Magbili ako kasi, ayan. May diba may bonsai ako sa bahay. Pineapple plant bonsai. Hindi ko naman ito kailangan mga kasiya kasi yung ginagamit ko is yung naguwak naman yung ginagamit ko na anong tawag dyan. Yung pang ano ba mga kasiya galing sa ano.
How can you
I
relax?
gotta look at that phone. Maybe it's not ringing right. That's all I think I know.
Maybe you press
We should
something.
get junk that phone, right? Huh?
Maybe you press something.
I don't know. What the deal is. It's a junk.
So, it's not today, tomorrow. But I'm going to work tomorrow.
She broken her arm. I saw her.
Oh.
Just a new one. She broken her arm 6 times. She broken her arm.
Get your foot be.
Do you have a? Oh yeah, I have a pen. I'm gonna do this on my helmet.
Mm-hmm. Okay, in.
Whee!
Alin
I
na
like
nandoon sa ano niya sa swimming. Ay, it's too much. Nandoon
that.
sa doon na.
Who does that at school, like you? Huh? Who? Nala? She good like that?
Oh, ang sakit ng tiyan ko.
Jutta, let's see you do a cartwheel.
Because I have I have a plant, a new plant, lemon plant.
Lemon plant.
Yeah. Lemon na din, Filipino lemon.
Oh yeah. You can't eat it.
Yeah. You can eat it. It's very, very sour.
Yeah, exactly.
You can try. No, it's for eating, Principal.
Oh, it's
It is.
decoration only.
Maybe we can make
That-
a lemon cake.
Are you going to eat a lemon cake?
Lemon cheesecake. Lemon cheesecake.
Lemon cheesecake. Yeah. Can.
Daddy, I'm tired.
She wants you to pick it up.
Pick me up.
What's that?
She said I'm tired because you want you to pick her up.
Oh.
Because I give her Papa on home.
Dito kami sa M&S kasi may binili ako na strawberry at saka ano ba to? Binili namin. Yeah, strawberry. Saka cake. Ang sarap nito mga kachika. Saka yan. Kasi mag-ano kami. Mag-chili beef. Ayun, Alina nagpabili din ito. Crispy potato waffle fries.
I need to buy a new flower, please.
Okay, tara na. Let's go. Finish.
Alright, I'll get you flower.
Tingin-tingin mo daw sa flowers. Let's go.
Here's some flower. Get the new one of these. I want these. Right here, go. And I'll just pay you. Follow me. Look at the toys. This is not a toy. I'll
It's a toy.
What?
It make lights at night. You're gonna put in
Oh,
your
I
bed.
know. We're going in there. You see, it's like a teddy, and you like push it. Oh, okay. Alright. I know the toy now. I know the toy. Finally, it's like that. When she was hugging you. Yeah.
Oh yeah. You didn't play with Miley anymore?
I do.
Huh?
I do.
You still playing with her? Daddy's not here. Magtambay lang muna kami
We're
dito.
going in there.
Hindi na ako nagbili ng bag. Uy,
Can I try this?
Eccles. No, you had enough now. You have. That's it for now. Eccles cake. And we're gonna do the nacho.
strawberry.
No, we need to wash that one first, babe. Let's have a look if you can eat now. If it's washed or not. Because sometimes it says it's
Eat
waited.
this.
Wash before use, okay? So you have to wash
I
it
wanna
first.
eat
Look at
this.
this, very good. The strawberry, no, juicy.
Try this.
Ayan, si Mr. napabalik doon sa M&S mga katsika. Bumili ng blueberries. Kasi yung blueberries niya ay
Finally.
nahulog doon.
She found
Ayan, yung blueberries niya nahulog galing sa bag. Tapos nagganyan na siya. Hindi niya pinulot mga katsika. Okay, madumi na yan. Yung puno ba yung bag niya ba? Tapos,
Exploded all over me. 2 cans
oh my God.
fell out the end, hit the ground, and then explosion.
Mm.
I think it's a setup. Looks like someone has done that. Setup.
Then your blueberries all over.
Yeah, there's blueberries all over the place. What's next?
Dang! Is that orange? Looks like orange.
Lemon, I think.
Lemon, yeah.
Orange. Looks so.
You can try to eat it if you want.
Oh no, thank you. It's not ready yet.
Huh?
It's not ready yet.
It's ready. There's one ready. Mm.
You got it in the Philippines?
In the Philippines. Yeah, we got one like that in the Philippines.
I got that plantain.
Okay, the plantain.
There's more gloves.
The other gloves is dirty. I need to clean first. Dami ko pang gagawin mga kachika. Oh, yan.
No, they're
Dami ko pa
great.
ganun.
The strawberries.
Yes, they are.
So 1, 2, 3,
Yan daw yung card
4,
niya lahat.
5.
5! I think you got more. I had some. I keep some of it.
Yeah, I have 6 because I got one for my train from school.
Oh, did you?
So 6.
6 cards. Let me see what you got here. It's Alina Summer Booklet. Alina Fab Tidying. Alina Summer Booklet.
Yeah, summer booklet.
Alina Brilliant Writing. Alina Summer Booklet. That's it, 5. Wow.
So I have resilience. I think the
You have resilience as well.
yeah. Which one is
I
collaboration?
think I got the resilience.
Wait, can you get it?
I don't know where. I put away somewhere.
Oh,
But I know I didn't throw it away. I have it. I got them.
okay. So I have 7 because you have 1.
7. It's good. Congratulations.
But I don't have responsibility.